Hello, my name is Sam and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to share your WhatsApp link. To start, open your internet browser. On your internet browser, search for Generate WhatsApp Link. And then in here, click on the first search result, the one that says create.wa.link. In here, you will need to scroll down. Then, once you find this area over here on the website, you will need to type in your WhatsApp phone number. And then click on the button that says Generate my WA.link. Now wait for the website to finish loading. Once it finishes loading, you can now copy this one over here, or you can also download the QR. Once you go to your notepads or go to your friends' DMs or messengers, just paste in the link. Now you can paste this wherever you want to share your WhatsApp link. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.